oh my god, look at it. The new iPhone 17 Pro Max. Wow! Wow, wow, wow. It's like a spaceship. I need this.
Liya, I told you. I want it, I want it, I want it.
Yeah, I know. You're so annoying. But it's so beautiful. Just take it and run. Yeah. No. Are you crazy? We'll just buy it.
Oh no!
Hello, kids! Are you interested in the new iPhone? I can tell you all about its features.
Yeah. What's so special about it? Does it come with a free Lamborghini?
No. But it has a triple lens camera system.
Triple lens? So boring. My phone already has 2 lenses.
Well, this one has a 50x optical zoom and a cinematic mode.
Look, we just want to know how we can get it for free. You have a special promotion, right?
No! We don't have any free promotions. You have to pay.
Yeah. He got angry. Yeah.
Oh. But how much money do we have, Liya?
Not enough. What are we gonna do now? Dad, we're at the store. We wanna buy something.
So, what do you want? I'm busy.
We wanna buy a new iPhone. The 17 Pro Max. It's so cool.
No. It's too expensive. You already have a phone. A phone is a tool, not a toy.
But Sarah's dad bought her a new one. Every year.
I'm not Sarah's dad. He doesn't know the value of hard work. We do.
Oh my god, shut up, Dad. Stop talking. You're so boring.
Don't talk to me like that, young lady.
So, no money? Fine. We'll just get it ourselves. So, what did he say? Nothing. No money. But who cares?
Oh! So what do we do now?
We're gonna get that iPhone. I can't believe him. Know the value of hard work, yeah. He sounds like a robot. So what? You wanna just give up and go home? No. Never. We're getting that iPhone. I have a plan.
Oh, no. Liya, I don't want to go to jail. No.
Relax, idiot. Listen to what she says. Okay, this is the plan. We need 3 people. First, we need to create a distraction. A big one.
A drone? You're crazy. That's too much. No.
Yes. A drone. While everyone is looking at the drone, Anna, you'll pretend to be a customer who fainted. Me? Faint? Wow. Okay, I can do that. And you, Alex, you will be the guy who saves the day. You'll run over to Anna and pretend to give her CPR.
Me? CPR? I don't know how to do that. No.
Don't worry, you idiot. No one will notice. So what's your part? My part. I'm the one who will walk out of the store with the iPhone. No one will notice me. Okay, guys. We're on. Remember the plan.
I don't know about this. I'm scared. No, 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 no.
Oh no!
Oh my God! A drone!
Yeah. Please, stop that. I'll call the police.
Oh, I feel so dizzy. I'm fainting.
I'm a doctor. I know CPR. Stand back, everyone.
Yeah. I told you. They're all so stupid.
Warning. Warning. The thief has escaped. Bring the prototype back immediately.
Oh no. They know. They know. I'm so sorry. I did it. I'm the thief. Please take this back.
You don't have to apologize. You've actually saved the day.
What? What are you talking about? Saved the day? I stole the iPhone.
That phone, it was a trap. The security system was compromised by a group of master hackers. You activated the alarm, exposing their malicious plot.
You're crazy. Yeah.
No, my dear. You are the hero of our unboxing experience. Your reckless bravery has shown us our weaknesses. Young ones. The hackers I was talking about, they were your parents.
No. What? That's not possible. They're not hackers.
That's right, Liya. This whole thing was a test. And you failed.
We were watching the whole time. Your lack of money, your refusal to ask, and your brilliant plan. It was all so predictable.
This is so not fair. No.
The lesson is not about what you get. It's about how you get it. Your punishment is not losing the phones. It's much worse.
Starting now, for the next month, you will be the stars of our new viral campaign. You'll be live streaming on our channel every day, explaining why what you did was so stupid.
This is the worst punishment ever.
Yeah. No more iPhones. Please, don't be like us. Oh no.